Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fix the problem of Instagram messages not sending. So all you have to do is go to your Google Play Store and make sure your app is updated. So you open your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. So you search for Instagram and you make sure your app is up to date. So my Instagram is up to date, but still it can't send messages. So all you do, if it fails to send messages, you go back and open your app settings. So you're going to open your app settings. Then after, scroll down until you get to apps. So you will scroll down until you get to the section of apps. So you open your apps and search for Instagram. So I'm going to search for Instagram. And all you do after searching for Instagram, all you're going to do is come to storage and clear all data. So after clearing all data, all you have to do, you're going to go and log in back to your Instagram. So I'm going to go back and log into my Instagram. So I've done that, and after logging into my Instagram, if I come now and I send a message to someone, as you see, the message will send. So you just follow the steps and you will be able to fix the issue of Instagram not sending messages. Thanks for watching and see you next time.